Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on this hair. This wig is amazing. I really do love it. This is like my second blonde hair I've ever made. If you want to know how I bleached and styled this hair from this to the current state, please don't go away. Stay tuned and I'll be right back. First of all, let's take a second and talk about the hair. This hair is amazing. I already bleached the knots. That is why you see the different shades in the roots. But it is so easy to bleach. It acts very well with bleach. The reason why I'm bleaching this hair is because this yellowish blonde do not work well for my skin tone. So I came about with the best or good blonde that will work very well for the brown skin girl. I will leave the things that you need for this look in the description box and also below the screen. So make sure you shake all the mixtures that you'll be using very well. This applies to both the dye and the toner. With the toner, because I've been using this or doing this for a while, I can eyeball the quantity that I will need. But for beginners, please use a measuring cup to help you with this.
The party ain't over. If you feel it in your body, you know you having fun. Come on, let me hear you make some noise. Yeah. If you feel it in your body, you know you having fun. Come on, let me hear you make some noise.
To protect my surface, I will need my aluminum foil. Believe it or not, the bleach does stain, so you definitely need this step. Now let's start with the wig. It's easier when you are bleaching or dyeing a lace frontal or closure and a bundle, but when it comes to an entire wig on its own, you have to be very careful. Take your time so that you don't stain the net itself. I'm fast forwarding this video to save time, but I really was taking my time to bleach this. As you can see, it started darkening. It's very fast. I've done this part. I'm moving on to the next part. It dyes very quickly, so just work with time. Be very careful but fast.
Fun tonight. We're gonna have some fun tonight. We're gonna have some fun tonight. We're gonna have some fun tonight.
This is the mixture of both the developer and the toner. As I told you earlier, there's nothing wrong with this blonde. It just doesn't work for me, and because of that, I'm trying to tone it. That is why I'm not leaving any dye in it or adding any color. So just the toner will change the color to what I really love and I've been wanting forever. There is no written way to apply this on the hair. Just take your time. Make sure every inch or every part of the hair is covered with the toner. Make sure you start from where the dark root ends down to create a seamless blend. After all is done, just cover it with your aluminum foil and leave it down for some few minutes. I left mine for approximately 20 minutes and then went ahead to wash it away.
Your favorite. Yes.
Let's have some fun.
Don't forget to use your Shimmer Light shampoo to take away the brassiness and the yellowish color it always leaves when you tone your hair.
Make me move. Move to the baseline, move. Move to the baseline, move. Move to the baseline, move. Make me move. Slow down, baby, slow down. I know you having fun tonight. Hold on, baby, hold on. Cause the party ain't over. If you feel it in your body, you know you having fun. Come and let me hear you make some.
The only thing I don't really like about this hair is that the lace wasn't really thick on the sides, so I didn't really want to over tweeze it, but I tweezed it to mimic how my edges look.
Let's go! Come on!
So to dry your hair, you can either air dry it or you blow dry it. I do both, but today I'm trying to blow dry it because I'm pressed with time. The look that I'm going for is a blunt cut, and with that hairstyle you don't really need a full wig. You need it a little bit lighter to work well and look good. So I need to trim the hair. I normally have a pair of scissors that really helps, but I couldn't find it around, so I went old school.
Fun tonight. We're gonna have some fun tonight. We're gonna have some fun tonight.
So now it's time to cut. You can just put the hair back on your head and just gauge the length that you want. But as I told you earlier, I've been doing this for a while. I know the length that I already want, so I just went ahead and I started cutting.
Your favorite.
This step is totally optional. You can decide to skip this step, or you can decide to do what will work best for you. I applied this because I'm going to apply heat to the hair. Yes, it's a wig, yes, but I still need to protect my hair. That is why I have wigs from 4 or 5 years ago. So when I apply the icy, it actually leaves the hair very wet. So I just go back and blow dry it again to just make it a little bit dry. Go ahead and straighten my hair, and I'm all done.
Make me move to the baseline, move to the baseline, move to the baseline, make me move to the baseline, move to the baseline, move to the baseline, Slow down, baby, slow down. I know you having fun tonight. Hold on, baby, hold on. Cause the party ain't over. If you feel it.
So guys, I am finally done. This is the finished look. I really do love the hair. It's amazing. It's just served its purpose. It looks so good on my skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As usual, I do this with love. If you love this, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Till I make another video, I'll see you in my next video. And if you would like to see more of this type of videos, please leave it in the comment section, and you know your girl will deliver. I love you guys. Stay blessed and see you later. Do y'all miss me?